Welcome to this video, where we'll dive into everything you need to know about the highly awaited OnePlus 13T. OnePlus has always been a brand synonymous with innovation and customer-centric features. With the release of the 13T, they've once again proven their commitment to excellence. This smartphone is packed with exciting upgrades in design, functionality, and performance. Let's break it down feature by feature. Starting with the display, the OnePlus 13T is embracing a flat-screen design, moving away from the curved edges seen in previous models. This shift offers more than just aesthetics. A flat display is generally more durable and practical, making it ideal for everyday use. Whether you're scrolling through social media, watching your favorite shows, or playing mobile games, the flat screen provides a crisp and immersive experience. Another exciting change is the replacement of the iconic alert slider. In its place, OnePlus has introduced a customizable shortcut key. This key brings flexibility, allowing users to personalize its functionality based on their preferences. Whether it's launching a camera, muting notifications, or activating any other function you choose, this shortcut key ensures convenience. It's a feature that many will find highly practical, similar to Apple's Action button on the iPhone. The design of the OnePlus 13T is another highlight. Compact and lightweight, it features a screen size of approximately 6.3 inches and weighs around 185 grams. This makes it not just easy to carry but also comfortable to use. For those who prefer a phone that fits perfectly in the hand without compromising on performance, this device seems to tick all the right boxes. It's a design that caters to the needs of users who value simplicity without sacrificing elegance. Now, let's talk about the battery, a critical feature for most users. The OnePlus 13T comes with an impressive 6,000 mAh battery. This ensures long-lasting performance, whether you're working, streaming, or gaming. The combination of such a powerful battery with the phone's compact design is noteworthy. You won't have to worry about constantly searching for a charger throughout the day, making this a reliable companion for busy schedules and long hours. As for its launch, the OnePlus 13T is set to make its debut in China in April 2025. Tech enthusiasts and loyal fans of the brand are eagerly waiting to see how this device stands out in a competitive market. With the range of upgrades it offers, it's shaping up to be a strong contender in the smartphone industry. In conclusion, the OnePlus 13T is a perfect blend of style, innovation, and functionality. Its flat display, customizable shortcut key, compact yet premium design, and powerful battery make it a well-rounded device. OnePlus has taken feedback into account and delivered a product that reflects modern user needs. What do you think about these features? Are you excited about the changes? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.